This afternoon, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite recipes, which is fish tacos. I've got a couple of nice pieces of fish here. I'm just heating this fry pan up to get ready for the fish. All right, while that's warming up, we're going to be adding some oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, paprika. Just do paprika to taste. Do all of this to taste. I'm a bit of an experimental cook. We're putting cumin in. Now, if you put cumin and paprika into anything, it tastes Mexican. So go for your life. There's no rules, except for Jamie doesn't like chili, but don't tell him. Put a little chili in. And some lime. All right, mixing that around. All right, now you can add as much as you want. If you have a look there, it will brown up and the flavor will mix through it. All right, now we're gonna chuck these on the fry pan. Now, the beauty of working like this without a recipe is that it tastes different every time and you can work out a really good recipe from it. But the downside is that if you make a really good recipe, you don't always know how much you put in. We're going to work on the guacamole while we wait for that fish to cook. I've cut up some avocado. We've got half a lime. We've got 1 clove of garlic and salt and pepper. And that's it, we'll just mash her up. Not only does the lime give the guacamole a fresh taste, it also stops it from spoiling so quickly. Let's see how that fish is doing. Oh, that's looking good. Now here I've got some pre-chopped coleslaw mix just from the supermarkets. Chuck some honey in there. Mayonnaise. Again, half a lime. Mix her all up. Mix in a heap of coriander, makes it even better. All right, time to take this fish off. Oh, look at that, falling apart. That's exactly what we want. Final step is to get the tortillas ready. I like to just put them in the pan until they start to puff up. Oh, that fish is perfect. Melt in your mouth. Put a little bit of capsicum on there. And finally, the guac. Oh, look at that. And that is my camping fish tacos.